Hi friends, welcome to BAFNA Cars. Today we have got the most hot and trending vehicle, Maruti Jimny in-house for the complete high-end audio upgrade. Along with the audio upgrade friends, we have done some few good modifications like seat covers, the mats, the projector fog lamps and others. Starting with the audio profile, we have made a complete active setup in this car where we have used this Audison Prima Pro and the Audison AK-6.5 C2 components for the front and back. We have installed this fantastic Audison active subwoofer. We have powered this entire setup with the Audison Forza 8.9-bit processor. Friends, we have used this damping sheet from Paramat, which is a bronze series 2.4 mm. It's really add on to the good thickness of the car. As usual, we have installed all sort of power cables from a brand called Scotia and auto connections to really make the sound output level very high. We are also attaching few installation clips for your reference to make sure that how good installation we have done. We have completed the entire installation job. We have also finished with the audio tuning completely. Come, let's experience the music now.
जो डिग दिन चोट लगे दिल ते नैना लगियां बारिशां रुत बिरहा दे बदलां दी छा गई काली काली खाली रातों से होने लगी है दोस्ती खोया खोया इन राहों में अब मेरा कुछ भी नहीं.
So friends, after completion of the audio, starting with the front profile, you can see what we have done. We have installed these beautiful lights, this is the Hummer light, the welcome lights. We have installed these night projector lights which really makes the driving very comfortable. So friends, you can always see the fitment of the seat covers. This is exactly just like the OEMs. It's a beautiful snug fit covers made by Top Gears. Along with the Top Gear seat covers, we have done some refurbishing in the door handles inside with some really red cosmetic which is matching the covers, which really making the car look very beautiful from inside. Adding to the rear profile friends, we have installed this wonderful ladder. We have installed this G-Wagon type spoiler for the rear car, so it makes the car look bold from rear. We have installed this stepney cover, and the best part of this setup is the rear tail lamps. You can see how beautiful they look. This is the brake part of it. You can see the matrix indicators. You can see the reverse light. So friends, on the side profile, we have added on these side steps, which is absolutely gelling with the car. You can see how good and how sturdy it is. We have also installed this mirror folder on this car. So at dense parking, it really helps your car mirrors on the sides. So friends, hope you have liked all the installation what we have done. This trending Jimny has got lots and lots of accessories available with us. For any of your requirement, you can always dial us on your number. We will come back with the best of best solution. And for all your accessory requirement, please contact BAFNA Cars on the following number. Thank you so much.